Stop guessing what to upload. Today I got 5 low competition niches you can use right now. An older tennis pro joke, Bigfoot, I can't, I have plans, no golf today, stick figure humor, and then school bus driver Valentine's owls, and a cute penguin Valentine. I'll show you why each niche works and give you a quick ideogram prompt so you can spin up artwork fast. I'm RJ Martinez, 8 years in POD. I share Amazon niches that actually sell on Amazon merch, Etsy, and more. If you want this kind of niche search every week, my top research design vault has fresh niches, keywords, and prompts. And if you rather skip straight to uploading, the top design vault gives you ready to use designs based on the same research. Link's gonna be down below. Let's dive in. So the first niche idea is going to be never underestimate an old man with a tennis racket. So we've went over a few different niches of never underestimate an old man, maybe an old woman, maybe that would work too as well. Just look at different concepts, different ideas, different sports, all that would work. I think you just have to go and double check everything in the research. And then as we log into the last 30 days, look at the BSR, there's definitely a demand here. So it's made to 1 cell, 2, and 3. So it's definitely raking into the algorithm and it's disappearing because Amazon's messing with a lot of stuff during the Q4. And then if we come over here, we have a result of, this is the one we just looked at. You can see that there's other concepts here. We have a result of 153. Pickleball would work really good. I'm not sure if I think we probably already went over that niche. We found that one already, but I think that would be a definitely great one to look over. All right, and we come over here. This is the prompt that I put in. The tool that I'm using is ideogram.ai. This is the prompt ideas right here. So I'll put those down below too as well. Every single prompt idea that I type in to give you an idea of the different concepts and different ideas, how to generate these designs. You can see, never underestimate an old, and now obviously you got to check for spelling and stuff like that. Basic stuff, right? You can see it's misspelled right there, but where's the design? It's a decent one, right? Some cool one. You just have to edit the design. And some of them are spelled right. And if you want our niche research done for you, you get 20 niche ideas every single week with prompts, keywords. And obviously when you sign up, you get access to over 1,600. We're pushing close to 1,700. I'm just growing this and building this out as I come up with more ideas. There's obviously just more and more niches that's going to build, which is really cool. There's definitely people back here making sales and people appreciating the actual research that I share back here. So if you're just a newcomer or you're your first time selling with print on demand online, to get an idea of the research process, that $10 a month is very valuable, okay? Because it's showing you like the research, it's showing you the keywords, it's showing you the different design angles that you can go after, and then it's showing you the prompt ideas that you can put into any of these image generators. So that's going to be down below in the description. So if you want to check that out, Top Research Design Vault. All right, next idea is going to be, I have plans with Bigfoot. And if you're getting any value out of this, make sure you smash that like button. Give this video a thumbs up. 4.6 out of 5, 23 ratings. Now, we've seen a lot of this where people have mixed in different ideas as far as I can't have plans with Bigfoot. Now, they're using this concept, this idea, then they're leveraging Easter, they're leveraging Cinco de Mayo, Christmas, Thanksgiving, Valentine's Day. This him walking, throwing the peace sign up, you can put something else in the other hand and of him walking. So just taking the concept, taking the idea, and then leveraging it into different niches is a really good idea. Now, you're going to see that there's definitely a demand, and it keeps disappearing, but there's definitely a demand for this concept and this idea. You can see that the BSR is 48K. Okay, it was uploaded the May 19th, 2025. So there's definitely a good demand here as far as the t-shirt selling and making sales. All right, now you can see also too, you can see this. This is cool because this is people that actually wearing the actual t-shirt design. So they're doing reviews on it and showing you what the t-shirt design looks like. So if you want to see the idea of the t-shirt design, you can see this
Esa
right here.
camisa de Plan with Bigfoot.
See, you can see that, which is really cool. So you're seeing the actual printed design. There's some of these are probably influencers, Amazon influencers are getting paid. So when someone watches the video and then makes a purchase, they get a commission from it. So if you're unaware, that's something that's very big. And I've been focusing on the last few years too as well. I mean, personally, and doing really good numbers. Now, if you come over here, we have a result of 195. And if you come over here, you can see that the different type of Bigfoot, this is a cool one too as well. And you can see that there's a demand. This one, so this is overall pick. This one's like very similar. I'm not sure if it looks too close to that one. And there's a few other ones here. And now let's look at the actual prompt idea. You're going to see the prompt idea and right there. I can't. I have plans. Bigfoot with Bigfoot, so you would have to do some editing with this one. Can't. I have plans with Bigfoot. That's actually not bad at all. This is a pretty cool one. See, like certain ones with AI, you just have to mess with it a bit, and maybe sometimes it's not perfect all the time, the first time, but like the second or third time, but then that third design, like this one's not bad at all. I can't. I have plans with Bigfoot. This one's a good one too. This one look very similar, right? This is a good one too. All right, next idea, no golf today. I believe we found this one in the previous video, but leveraging this right here and thinking of different ideas as far as no golf today, no shooting today, no baseball today, no football today, different ideas and mixing in different sports. This is really good. Simple text, nothing crazy, but it's selling, right? And that's what we look for. When I look for stuff like this is, okay, this is cool. This is something that's making sales. And I'm like, okay, this is obviously a demand. Like, what, there's a demand here. What else can you create? Ask yourself that. What else can you create when it comes to this? And if you look at the BSR, we can see that it is trending into Q4, okay, as well as trending going into Christmas. So it's doing really good and it's getting consistent sales, right? And with consistent sales, you can see that it was uploaded this year. With consistent sales comes the reviews and the ratings, right? And then they're going into next year, right? Something like an evergreen niche like golf, it's going to make even more sales. Come over here, we look at the result, we have 346, and then you see the other designs over here that are making sales, okay? There's a few other designs that are actually crushing it right here with this. Pretty cool, because I see this one has an actual golf club. So a little detail change like that can make all the difference in the design too. And, right, no golf today, you can see exactly right here. This is actually some really solid designs right there. And this is the prompt right there, okay? You can see that. And then I like this one a lot. It has a little grass, right? That's cool. That's cool. I like these ones a lot. So happy Valentine's Day school bus and got some owls in there. School bus driver. So the first thing I'm thinking about, what do school bus drivers like? Okay. Unless the owls, like, and then that's just trying to dig in a little bit more. Like you got to ask yourself that. What else do they like? 3.4 out of 5. And then you look at the ratings, like you obviously there's a little bit of wiggle room here. Like what else can you do here? Okay. So keep that in mind. 15.99 for ratings. We come down, can see it's already making sales, right? Which is a good sign. So going into a Valentine's Day, you can see that it's first time uploaded. It was July or January 11th, 2022, but 3 million BSR, but it's already making sales and we're about 2 months out. So this is a good idea. So think of Valentine's Day and school bus driver, just a general idea. And then you can leverage chat GPT and go in there and see like what else can you come up with. Okay, that's the first thing that's coming to mind. We have a result of a 59. Right, it seems like there's not a big competition over here, but there's definitely the ideas over here seem to be making sales. So just think of other ideas what you can do over here. Now this is the prompt idea that I typed in. Okay, so you're going to see the prompt idea right there, and so you can use it. It's up to you. So in this example, you can see there's like a bunny, there's a dog, and a cat. That's not bad at all. It's a cute one. If you have access to a bus driver, ask her like, what do you think would work good for a T-shirt idea for a bus driver? What do you like? And then based off of that, try to think of different concepts and different ideas. Or you can even go and ask ChatGPT like, what do bus drivers like? Okay, that'd be a good one. Now over here we have this little Valentine's Day penguin, cool little guy. Okay, with the hearts. This is cute, right? Pretty cute. Nothing too crazy. Now, when you're looking at stuff like this, it's more of, the keywords that you're going to be using. Let's see, we have a result of 5 million, but I feel like there's something like this and the BSR is not popping up for us, which sucks. Something like this is, okay, here we go to right here. Something like this is going to do good. Okay. I have put up designs like this, the similar concept. You can see like the facing forward type of animal or creature or anything like that. This right here, it works good, especially with the hearts, those type of patterns, understanding that pattern. And I look at this right here. We see this right here, funny Bigfoot. He's like putting up the heart, right? See that? This is like solid idea. And then the background is like the mountains, but it's a heart coming up from the background of the trees. This is solid. And look at this. This is more of an evergreen design. It's nothing screaming Valentine's Day. I feel like something like this will do really good throughout the year. Look at this one. This one's solid too. Okay. Anything like this, look at how cute these little guys are. Okay. So I just think of different concepts, different ideas based off of penguin. One thing that people love is how they walk and how they jump into the water. So you want to keep that in mind. Like penguins are cute when they jump up and they're walking and they go jump into the water. They're cute. People love stuff like that. So think about what people love about penguins. And then you can turn around and turn that into a design. Now we come over here, we look at the prompt. You can see the prompt right there and look what it created for us. Really cool, right? Pretty solid. And this is Chat GPT. I have the paid version. I just coming in here and just hitting that plus button and then creating an image, which is really cool. So you can see exactly how it's doing that. And all I ask is that you give this video a thumbs up if you're getting any value out of this. These are research niches that I personally help you with and give you an understanding of what's selling and what to look for next. And we're finishing off the year really strong where we're doing pretty much weekly niche research every single week. So I appreciate it. If you have any questions or concerns, leave a comment down below, but smash that like button to help me push this video into the algorithm even more. That's the list. Simple, low comp, and perfect for quick uploads. Which one are you launching first? Drop 1 through 5 in the comments, and I'll reply with a keyword angle. If you want weekly niche drops plus keywords plus prompts, grab the top research design vault. If you want done for you artwork, you can list today. Check out the top design vault. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next week with more niches that actually move. And if you want more low competition niches, watch this video right here next. Peace out.